In this video, we'll cover the remaining general functions from the ribbon and how they're used. We've looked at a few of them in passing from previous videos, but we'll review them again here. The first one we'll cover is Recalculate Workbook. Clicking this button will force any function within the spreadsheet to reevaluate. This is useful when using a function that utilizes relative times, as the time range may be constantly shifting. For example, this process data function is using an end date of now. Next, we can remove a function from the spreadsheet by selecting any cell within the functions array and selecting the Clear button. The Version Info button will display the version of the Canary View service the add-in is connecting to and the version of the add-in client. It's always a best practice to have the two match. The Aggregate list will display all the aggregates that are available within the process data function and a short description of each. So that's all for the Excel add-in and its functions. Hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.